After such a good start,
Yes.
you mean in terms of bowling, batting?
Yeah, bowling, batting.
Bowling,
First innings.
bowling I thought, yes, it was a wonderful start. But to put all the thoughts together will obviously take a little more time. I still believe that with that start and the wickets that we picked up early, you will have one out players who will obviously step up from the opposite side as well. Chasing 148 would still achieve.
Monty sir, welcome back.
Thank you.
So,
इसीलिए तो मुझे वेलकम बैक बोला अभी.
especially welcome back to the team. So, how does it feel?
Oh,
Because it's
Floodline.
wide, different things happening under the floodline match and the parapet and all those things happen. So, how does it feel?
it feels exactly the way you all feel. It was a dream for all of us, I guess. Well, I can't imagine this in 2023, but it is the reality in 2025. So hats off to all of you, all of us. That's the way I would put it. The can management, the groundsmen, सबका ही सपना था ये. So it is now a reality. We should all feel very proud and happy about it.
Okay. What's the reason that Erasmus was dropped in today's match?
Say again.
Why Erasmus is not playing in today's match? Erasmus.
Oh, tough call. Genuinely tough call because we believe in our bowling strength, and obviously we thought that risk versus reward. We wanted to bring in Sunny for Erasmus for a reason because of his leg spin. I would say again it fairly worked out because he was able to also bowl that very important crucial over when Harpreet was going so well. 19th over where he was able to pick up that wicket made a difference. Otherwise, it could have been 160, 165 to chase as well.
So at one time, Kathmandu used to score, I think the Sudup used to score 4 runs and they just lose the 3 wickets. So that was the situation, and from that we lost the match. So what's going exactly wrong?
This is the format which is where you can never relax. But let me start with saying that to have our own national bowler, Nepali bowler KC Karan to pick up those very important prize wickets, that's how this country's identity is going to get built up even more. So he did well with that new ball plan, executing that plan well. He picked up early wickets. But like I said, Dipendra Airy, we know what he's about in terms of T20 and what he brings with his bat. And Harpreet obviously had his day today. Looks like it was Harpreet's day today with the bat and balls.
Do you think that Kathmandu has lost the match because of 16 and 17 overs of first innings?
Say again?
Do you think that Kathmandu has lost the match because of 16 and 17 over of first innings?
I would not put it that way. I still feel, at 10th over mark, we were 85 or 87 for 3 with 2 set batsmen. If we have to reflect as a team together, I would say 2 set batsmen, 10th over mark, 87 for 3, chasing 148. They are the ones who should actually continue and build that partnership even more and not allow the opposite team to get back in the game.
How do you define our mixed batting?
Say again?
How do you define our mixing batting, attacking batting against Botas bowler?
Harry, you're talking about, right? Harmeet Singh.
Yeah.
He's improved a lot. I mean, I would have known him from my days when he was playing for our club to Royals, Rajasthan Royals together. He was only a bowler at that point. Now, over the last couple of years, he has really improved himself as a finisher. Even with when the games where Nepal and USA has played, he has been one player who has been giving trouble to the Nepal side. So he has become a known finisher in the associate cricket. Let's put it that way with bat. Of course, bowling is pretty much there for him.
Is death over is a concern for your team?
Say again?
It's death over is a concern for your team?
Rashid has really stepped up. So I wouldn't say that bowling is a concern for our team. And at the same time, again, KC Karan is someone who has been representing the nation for so many years. I believe he is going to do the job for our team. So bowling is our strength. I wouldn't really worry about death bowling. Our bowlers will step up or not. But it's more about all the players to play their roles. Today we missed out on playing our roles properly.
What was the reason behind sending Santosh Yadav at the 4? It was just an experiment or this left and right hand combination? If so, John Simpson himself is a left-hander. So what was the reason?
I like the word you use, experiment. With me, it's very well tagged as an experiment. Not at all. Santosh Singh again, someone who we have picked. We got lucky in the auction to get Santosh. I do believe Santosh has got all-round skills. He's someone to watch out for long term. His batting didn't turn out today because of the run-out misunderstanding out there, but he's someone who can really bat well. And I do believe that he's a top-order batsman who can play a long innings for us.
Was it an experiment or will continue in the upcoming games?
I answered you that he's one of those players who we believe can deliver with bat and ball. So it is definitely not an experiment. Look, left-right combination when you talk about, you also talk about players who can play a particular phase for us.